MemeFi released another update, and the update is about the airdrop and wallet connection. So if you are mining MemeFi, then congratulations to you in advance, because right now there is a new development whereby you will be able to create a wallet account for this MemeFi. And the good thing about this is that the wallet address is inbuilt. It means that in this application, you don't need another external wallet address for you to connect to your mining application. All the connection, all the wallets is being done in this application. So let me quickly show you how you can simply do that. All you have to do is to click on the wallet under the airdrop down there. When you click it, it will prompt you to a page whereby you'll be able to create a wallet. All you have to do is to create a wallet and then copy your face, back it up both online and offline. So make sure you back it up, because that is all you need for this wallet. So after that, just click done, and then it will take you straight up to your wallet address. And it's as simple as that. It means that you don't need any third-party wallet for this MemeFi application. And all we'll be waiting for right now is the distribution and the listing process. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.